driving back home. We literally stopped to get some ice cream. So this is like a really realistic getting my life together because we've been eating like crap. And I just need to like get my life together, truly. So it's currently 8:13 and we're driving back home. I already just said that. But yeah, I thought I would just start this video here because we're driving back home. Yeah. And we're with Kayla. We kind of did like a little date night, I guess you would say. Getting ice cream.
That was good.
So we also didn't have dinner. We literally just went straight to get an ice cream and didn't have dinner. So that kind of...
Comment down below if you ever had stroganoff. Is this good?
That's what we're gonna make tonight.
That's my favorite.
Okay, I'm back home, and also I just want to show you guys the sweatshirt that I have on. Not even cold and I'm wearing this. Literally live in Florida, so you know it's not cold yet. But I want to get unready for bed really quickly. You guys, recently I've been wanting to get out of the house. I just want to go to like a live event just because I've been spending a lot of time home. Recently got sick, so we've just been resting and getting the most sleep that we can just to kind of get better. And now that we're feeling a little bit better, we can definitely get out of the house a little more. And so I've been just looking for a concert or a live event that I can go to. So I recently came across SeatGeek, which is why I want to give the sponsor of today's video, SeatGeek, a huge shout out. With over 28 million downloads, SeatGeek is the #1 rated ticketing app. There are more than 70,000 events listed on SeatGeek, including sports, concerts, festivals, and right now you can get tickets to any of these artists like Tate McRae, Katy Perry, Morgan Wallen, The Weeknd, and there's literally so much more. I personally love using SeatGeek because it's so easy to use and get tickets, which I'm super excited to see Tate McRae. And thanks to SeatGeek, I can get those tickets super easily. Each ticket is rated on a scale of 1 to 10, so you know if you're getting a good deal, and you can look for the green dot, which green means good and red means bad. Plus, every ticket is backed by their buyer guarantee. Before the summer ends, definitely get out of the house and do something fun, whether that be going to a festival, concert, sports, whatever it is. You can use my code emilyp10 for 10% off your next set of tickets at SeatGeek. That's literally 10% off tickets with promo code. So make sure you click the link in the description to download the app and have the code automatically downloaded to your account so you can use it later. Yeah, you definitely don't want to miss out. Thank you again, SeatGeek, for sponsoring this portion of the video. The next day, and today we're gonna be doing the actual getting my life together. I have a couple things I want to do that I planned out. First thing I want to do is take the sheets off my bed because we haven't in a while and it's just like dirty. I like to take it down every Sunday, but I haven't recently, so we're gonna take these down and clean them. Next is an everything shower. My hair is low-key greasy, so we need to do like a whole everything shower. I need to go grocery shopping, organizing and cleaning just around the house, and organizing the fridge because I haven't done that recently. And then lastly, self-care. I love to end the night with self-care, so I'm really excited. It's gonna be like a little treat for me. But yeah, that's on the to-do list. I definitely recommend trying to do a to-do list before you do everything, especially on a day where you're gonna get your life together. So it definitely makes me more organized, and I definitely recommend it to anyone. Anyways, let's stop yapping and let's get to the sheet getting clean. I feel like taking an everything shower is so important for me when it comes down to getting my life together. I've been loving this Kerastase shampoo. It is literally so good. And then I also love to go in with the Way Detox shampoo. This will really get all of the dirt and grime. This hair mask will definitely moisturize your hair. And then this one's also good on a cheaper alternative. And then this razor is the new razor I've been using, and it's honestly so good. Definitely recommend. And then this shaving cream as well from EOS. It will literally leave your skin so soft. And lastly, this Olay body wash. The one thing I look forward to putting on my body every single day. Like, it's so good, you guys. You should definitely try it out. And then I just blow dried my hair. I love to use the Dyson blow dryer. This chocolate looks so good. It has like sea salt in it, and it's like caramel, I think. Yeah, it says caramel, but this looks so good. Low-key want to get it, but I don't eat it. So yeah, but there's a bunch of chocolate stuff. Okay, I just finished finished up at Whole Foods. Got a couple things. First up, got like 3 cucumbers. Got some boom chicka pop. This stuff is so good. Then I got bananas. I want to try this dry shampoo. I'm really excited because I ran out of my day dry shampoo and it was really good, but I think this is more of a cheaper alternative, so I'm really excited to try this out. I got 2 Olippops because I've been doing the Sleepy Girl mocktail, but I want to try different stuff in it, so I'm going to try this Olipop strawberry vanilla, and I love this one. And then I also got a restock of the pure cranberry to make my Sleepy Girl mocktail. I got this one last time if you guys watched my last video, so I've been like using it and I'm really excited to start. Okay, I don't even know what I'm saying. And then I also got salt. So that's everything I got. Now we're gonna drive back home. Pretty long drive for Whole Foods, but I really love Whole Foods because all their stuff is like more on the healthy side. You guys, I just got back home and I got this PR from, I'm sure a lot of you guys know this brand, and I've literally never got PR from them, so I'm like so excited. But they basically gave me the sweatshirt. I've thought about buying them, but I didn't because it's like so expensive. But I'm obsessed with this navy color. And then they gave me a yoga mat, which we are definitely going to be using this tonight. I'm literally so excited. Low-key obsessed with the navy color. I only have pink mats, so this is like really cute. And then they also gave me the bag, so you can put like the mat in it. I haven't even tried this sweatshirt on, so let's try it on. This is actually so cute and comfy. Like so cute. So it goes all the way up to the neckline. It's not launched yet. Today is August 14th. It launches on August 15th, so I'll probably post it on my stories on August 15th, which is tomorrow. By the time you guys are watching this, it's probably already launched on their website, so you can probably buy it. Probably gonna use this for the rest of the day because it's so comfy. And I'll change into something more comfy. I'm gonna now clean and organize the fridge, so that's next up on the list. We also need to put all the groceries away. This just gave me motivation to go and do a little Pilates workout later tonight, so that's also on the list. I just finished cleaning the house and it feels so much better. And now we're gonna do some self-care. I always need to do self-care when I'm trying to get my life together, because if there's no self-care, there's no getting life together, because we need to get our life together within and not only the outer part of your life, so like routine and lifestyle. That's my #1 tip when it comes to getting your life together. First thing on the self-care list is to do some yoga. I was gonna do Pilates, but I feel like it's a little too much for me to wind down for the night. It's currently 7:10, but I'm so excited to use my new little yoga mat. Got the whole fit matching as well. Finished and I feel so much more relaxed and I feel like I could literally go to sleep right now. Every time I do yoga before I go to sleep, I feel exhausted and I just want to lay in bed, which obviously that's the goal. I got like a winding down yoga video from YouTube, so that's just what I used. And now I'm gonna go shower. Just a quick little shower since we went out. So good. good. If you're Brazilian, then you know what stroganoff is. It's so good. I think Caleb's more obsessed than me. We're gonna watch a movie now. I have no idea what we're gonna watch. I think we're still looking for a movie. I feel like finding a movie is the hardest part and it takes so long. We like love action, mystery, science fiction, and just like that category. I've been really loving mystery. Comment down below your mystery suggestions for shows and movies. Yesterday we watched Stand Your Ground and it was really good. So I definitely recommend that movie. I think it's more like action. But yeah, we just basically watch all our movies on a projector and it looks like that. If I could link it for you guys, I would, but it's literally not in stock anymore and it's been like that for a while, so I don't know if they sell it anymore. But it's my favorite projector. I've had this projector for so long, probably like 4 years now, and it's just a really good projector. But anyways, I'm gonna eat my dinner because I'm starving right now and all I want to do is eat.